Yeah, boo. December vibes. Lwasekhaya kushisa ngaphakathi. Even when the world is dancing, family's still fighting. But we gonna heal this one. They say family's forever, but it's cold like June. Uncles look away when I walk in the room. Same blood, same name, different tune. Me Aziz want my heart out of tune. Mama say my boy don't cry, but I see pain deep in her eyes. Why my uncle treat me like I lie? Ngikulume no man tulengi inside. Abasale bami, why you act so strange? Same bloodline, but your love has changed. Simunye, but we pull apart. Nyatela, let's heal that part.
It's cold in December. uThando lwasekhaya liphelile. Oh, let the fire remember. Ukuthi kalishisayo. Blood should be warmer, not colder. See us through bigger, but we are getting older. December lights shine on my pain. If uThando, not shade.
Cousins don't greet when they see me pass. Ish, family shade under Christmas glass. So why do we fight for things that fade? While love's the only thing we never made. DNA can't prove your heart. Unkulunkulu knows who you are. Let's rebuild from where we start. December healing, that's the part.
Till now it can be reality. My son down and Lwasekhaya lily.
We are family, let's love, let's forgive.
Isikhathi isifikile. Let love win. Let peace begin.
It's cold in December. uThando lwasekhaya liphelile.
Oh,
Let the fire remember. Say God's ilishisayo. Blood should be warmer, not colder. See us through better, but we are getting older. December lights shine on my pain. If uThando, not shade. Yeah, boy, we are banda. uThando luyashisa. Masiruse, masilungise. For the sons, the daughters, the blood we forgot was ours. December, time to heal.